Exploring SpaceX's revolutionary Starbase expansion, a deep dive into science and strategy. Welcome to a groundbreaking journey inside SpaceX's Starbase Expansion Plan, a leap towards humanity's multiplanetary future. Nestled in Boca Chica, Texas, Starbase is where SpaceX is sculpting the future of space travel. Their expansion plan is nothing short of revolutionary. At the heart of this plan is the development of the Starship rocket, designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. This behemoth is the key to unlocking the solar system for humanity. SpaceX's innovative use of stainless steel for Starship contrasts traditional materials, offering durability and cost-effectiveness. Science meets pragmatism in this engineering marvel. The expansion includes building the world's largest rocket production facility. Here, starships are born, aiming to achieve an unprecedented launch cadence to support human life on Mars. Environmental sustainability is woven into the fabric of Starbase's expansion. SpaceX is committed to making space exploration as green as possible, reducing our cosmic footprint. Join us as we delve deeper into SpaceX's ambitious plan at Starbase, where each step brings us closer to a future amongst the stars.